The penis consists of three cylindrical masses of erectile tissue. Two corpora cavernosa lie side by side. A single corpus spongiosum runs ventrally and contains the urethra. The urethra has the flattened star-shaped lumen surrounded by a pseudostratified columnar epithelium with densely stained nuclei. The corpus spongiosum expands distally to form the glans penis. A dense fibrous coat, the tunica albuginea, surrounds each corpus. One important feature of the corpus spongiosum is that it never becomes as firmly erect as the two corpora cavernosa. It becomes engorged with blood, but is not rigid. This is essential. Otherwise, it would pinch shut the urethra just at the wrong time. You can see in this section that the tunica albuginea of the corpus spongiosum is thinner than that of the other corpora. This is one reason that it's incapable of complete erection. Another structural feature that you can see is that the cavernous sinuses are smaller in the corpus spongiosum. The erectile tissue itself comprises a network of large, thin-walled veins, cavernous sinuses, separated by septa of connective tissue. You can easily see the endothelium lining the cavernous spaces and the bands of smooth muscle in partitions between them. The clitoris is the anatomical homologue of the more highly developed penis. Although a part of the female reproductive system, the clitoris is more appropriately examined at the same time as its male counterpart. The orientation in this section may be somewhat confusing. The clitoris has been sectioned obliquely, more longitudinally than transversely, and sort of parallel to the overlying skin. The apical end of the organ is over here. A fold of skin over the clitoris forms a hood, homologous to the foreskin of the penis. This is why the covering epidermis seems to be located so far from the erectile tissue. This skin is similar to that over the labia minor, being lightly keratinized, with apocrine sweat glands, sebaceous glands, a few hairs, numerous minor blood vessels, and particularly many small nerve bundles. The clitoris is composed of only two columns of erectile tissue. These are homologous to the corpora cavernosa of the male penis, but have the general architecture and erectile capabilities of the corpus spongiosum. Note the small but abundant cavernous sinuses and the relatively thin tunica albuginea, surrounding and separating the two columns of erectile tissue. The clitoris has no homologue of the corpus spongiosum. The urethra runs separately from the clitoris, reaching the surface behind the organ.